In this video, I'm going to teach you some tricks on how to compare negative rational numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says which sign statement makes the statement true. So here we have minus 173 over 10, and then we need to figure out if it's less than, greater than, or equal to then negative 16 and 1/10. I'm going to teach you two methods on how to do this. So method one, convert both numbers to improper fractions. And just a reminder of what an improper fraction looks like. It looks like this. There's a bigger number on the numerator than there is on the denominator. Okay? We're not even talking about the negative sign right now. We're just looking at bigger number over smaller number. Okay, so let's convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So remember how to do that. So you multiply, and let's not worry about the negative sign. Just put it here for now and you're done. You don't have to worry about it. So now we just multiply 16 times 10, which is 160, and then you add 1. So 160 plus 1 over 10. So that equals to negative 161 over 10. So now if we compare negative 161 to negative 173, negative 173 is a bigger negative number than minus 161. So minus 173 is smaller, right? So if you just remember a number line with negative numbers on it, as you go to the left, the negative numbers are getting bigger in size, but that means they're actually smaller, okay? So now method two, convert both numbers to mixed numbers. So what I'm going to do is convert this to look like this, a mixed number, okay? So here is how you do that. So you take, because the denominator is 10 here, you could just move the imaginary decimal here to here, and it becomes 17, negative 17 and 3/10. Another way to do this is do the division. Okay, so here's the quick division on it. So you have 10 divided into 173. So 10 fits into 17 once. 10 times 1 is 10, and you subtract, you have 7. Bring down your 3. Now how many times does 10 fit into 73? 7 times, right? 7 times 10 is 70, and you're left with 3. So it's minus 17 and 3/10. Okay? So, like we said, the correct answer for this is less than. So minus 173 over 10 is less than minus 16 and 1/10. Okay? So that's all there is to that problem. So if you don't understand it, you could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it and you can follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. As well, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.